Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we start, I want to say this clearly. This video is promotional collaboration with Higgsfield. I will share my honest experience as a creator. In this video, I will also show my screen so you can see how I am using the tool. As a creator, we always want to make good videos, but we don't always have big cameras or studios. That's why simple and easy tools are very useful, especially when you are working alone. Higgsfield is an AI video platform made for creators. It helps you turn images and ideas into cinematic videos without complicated editing. With new update Kling 2.6 audio, it adds AI voice that sounds more natural and emotional, not robotic. This helps a lot if you don't want to record your voice every time. Right now, you can see my screen. I am using Higgsfield on my laptop. The interface is clean and easy to understand. I am not doing a full tutorial, just showing how simple the platform feels. I am working on a laptop, but you can also create using a phone or a laptop, which is great for many creators. For many creators, audio is the hardest part. Kling 2.6 audio saves time and lets you focus more on your ideas and stories. This tool is useful for YouTube creators, short video creators, storytelling content, anyone trying AI video tools. Higgsfield is not replacing real filmmaking, but as a creative tool, Kling 2.6 audio is very helpful for experimenting and creating faster. So let's start the tutorial. So here we are on the dashboard. So in this video section, we got Kling 2.6. So in this dashboard Kling 2.6, you can see here the upload image section and generate it. So right down here you can see the prompt section. So now we are going to create a prompt using ChatGPT. So here I am on ChatGPT. So now I am creating a prompt from ChatGPT. So let me write this. So I am going to fast forward the video so you can. So finally it's done. So now I am going to copy this and just copying this from here and going to paste it on the prompt section. And now we are going to check this audio marks on and duration. We are going to select the duration around 10 seconds, and the aspect ratio should be according to your style, which format you want. If you want for YouTube, you can go for 16:9, and if you want for Instagram or TikTok reel, you can go for 9:16 ratio. So I am going for 16:9 ratio and just click on generate. So now you can see here the video is in queue. So we need to wait for seconds, and you can check there. I already uploaded many. I already made too many videos. Last one we on this. Using this, and here are some of the videos, and this one was the output which we got from our video. So you can check how realistic the video is. And now I'm going back to the ChatGPT, and again I'm going to create another prompt for a new video. So I think I need to fast forward this clip. So I am doing this, and you can see just I made clip prompt, and now I am going to copy paste it here, and same procedure you need to do. And now we need to wait for a seconds, and it's done. So you can check the video using the latest update Kling 2.6 audio. You can sync audio with the video also. So you can check this video, and later I will turn on the music and the sound of the video so you can hear it clearly. So the final output is this, and you can check the video is really good. I was amazed from that kind of thing the Higgs AI is doing. I think you should try this if you are a travel content creator or someone who documents films or interested in trying something new things. So definitely you want to try this. And also you can download this video. If you want to download, you can download it from here. You can see download section, and which format you want, you can do it and you can download easily. So you can check the my another videos which I created using this, and you can see how realistic the video is. I was shocked by seeing this type of thing, but it's amazing. You can do whatever you want. If you have an idea and you want to just create a film, or you want to create some cartoon using AI, you can easily create using Higgs AI. So make sure you try this tool. And here you can see my another video in which I just created recently. It was from Mahabharata, the Arjun characters. You can see the how realistic the video looks like, and you can see. And I will upload all the videos in the last section. You can make sure you watch the whole video so you can be able to watch the clarity of the video. So finally, I want to clear that the Higgsfield AI is amazing. The new feature Kling 2.6 update, audio update, was amazing. I think definitely if you are a filmmaker or a content creator, you need to try this once. And if you are experimenting such things, you want to try this. It's amazing. You can check image creation video with sync audio also. The feature is amazing. So you can check this video, and I will add also in the last section. So if you want to try Higgsfield and Kling 2.6 audio, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Artificial intelligence works by training algorithms on vast datasets. This allows machines to recognize patterns and make decisions.
Just a few more adjustments to finish. This setup really helps me concentrate.
Board, but focus, discipline, and choice. I aim not at an enemy, but at my own fear and doubt.